What if I told you you could earn real money online by simply sharing content that isn't even yours? No product to sell, no audience, no crazy editing skills. You just clip a video, share it, and you will get $1 for 1,000 views. Some creators offers $2 to $5. Sounds too easy, right? Well, it's real. And it's happening right now on a platform called WHOP. Today, I'm breaking down WHOP's content reward system, how it works, how you can start clipping, and how people are turning simple posts into real income. Stick around, because you don't want to miss this. What is WHOP clipping? Let's start with the basics. WHOP is an online marketplace for digital products. Things like Notion templates, AI tools, Discord groups, and private memberships. But here's the cool part. They recently introduced a reward system that lets anyone earn money without even creating a product. It's called clipping. Here's how it works. WHOP has tons of videos promoting their personal brand. You can take those videos, clip a short portion, share it on your social media. And WHOP also have affiliate marketing, but way easier, way faster, and designed for short-form content. You don't even have to show your face, just clip, post, and profit. How the system works. Here's how you can get started in literally 5 minutes. Step 1. Sign up for free. Head over to WHOP.com and sign up. It's completely free. I've already created my account, so I'll just log in. Once you're in, this is what the dashboard looks like. Step 2. Click on the Discover section from the sidebar. Now, look for the tab that says Content Rewards. This is where the magic happens. Here, you'll find a list of creators who are offering to pay you for promoting their content. Yes, real money. You'll see offers like $2 to $4 per 1,000 views, just for posting a clip they provide. The more views you get, the more you earn. Step 3. Choose a niche you like. Now scroll through and pick a creator or niche that fits your vibe. Some creators let you join their program for free. Others might charge. But don't worry, we're sticking with the free ones for now. Click Open in WHOP. And now you've officially joined that creator's community. Step 4. Explore the Creators Hub. Inside, you'll see different sections like chat rooms, ask questions or get help, announcements, courses, and the one we care about, content rewards. Click on Content Rewards, and here you'll find how much the creator pays per 1,000 views, the deadline for submission, any specific video requirements, a disclaimer you need to include in your video description, and most importantly, Google Drive, links to download ready-to-edit video clips. Step 5. Edit and make it viral. Now open CapCut, or any video editor you like. Import the footage, and add some trending background music. Dynamic captions, zoom-ins, and your own style to make the video pop. Boom, your video is ready. Step 6. Post on social media and submit. I created a brand new Instagram account just for this. Upload the video, tag the creator. This is usually required. And hit publish. Now submit your video for approval. Just copy your video link, upload the video file, and click submit. You need to submit it within 1 hour of posting, and the creator will usually approve it within another hour. Once it's approved, you start earning based on how many views your post gets. You can track all your clicks, conversions, and earnings in your WHOP dashboard in real time. This is perfect if you don't have your own product to sell. You're just getting started online. You love sharing cool tools or content. You want to test affiliate marketing in a simple way. Or you're already creating content but want to monetize it faster? The best part? Some creators on WHOP are offering 20%, 30%, even 50% commissions. That means if you promote a $40 product, you could make $20 just from one sale. People are literally earning while reposting someone else's content. This is what makes WHOP's clipping system revolutionary. It lowers the barrier to entry and rewards you for helping creators grow. Okay, now let's talk strategy. How do you actually get views and clicks? Tip 1. Choose viral-worthy clips. Pick moments from the videos that are shocking, emotional, funny, or insanely helpful. That's what grabs attention. Tip 2. Add your own spin, if you want. You can add subtitles, reaction text, or a voiceover to boost engagement. Or just keep it raw. It still works. Tip 3. Post across platforms. Don't limit yourself to one app. Post your clips on TikTok, Shorts, and IG Reels. Tip 4. Use trending hashtags and sounds. Ride the wave of current trends to boost discoverability. Tip 5. Rinse and repeat. Don't stop at one clip. The more you post, the better your chances. Think of it like building a portfolio of income-generating content. So there you have it. WHOP's clipping system gives you the power to earn by simply sharing other people's content. No inventory, no complex setup, just your phone, a few minutes, and a smart strategy. If you're tired of watching others make money online, and you want to start now with zero budget, this is your chance. Head to whop.com/clipping and give it a shot. I'll drop the link in the description. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more creator tools, and drop a comment if you have any questions. I'll help you out. This is the future of creator commerce, and you don't want to be late.